Good morning, student. In the previous topic or in the previous turn, we have discussed about the petrochemicals and plastics and polymer are of two types, that is the linear polymer and the cross-linked polymer. In this turn, we have discussed about the types of plastics and plastics as a material of choice. Plastic articles are available in all possible shapes and sizes, as you can see in your surrounding. Have you wondered how this is possible? This is possible that plastics is easily moldable, that is, can be shaped in any form. Plastics can be recycled, reused, colored, melted, and rolled into sheets. On the basis of action of heat, they are categorized into two types. First one is thermoplastic. As the terminology name indicates, thermos means heat. Plastics which get deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily are known as thermoplastic. For example, polythene and PVC. Polythene, it is for carrying out the things. And what about the polythene? What is polythene? It is a polymer of ethene molecule, that is, many ethene molecules together joined to form a single chain of polythene. And PVC, which is a polymer of vinyl chloride, that is the polyvinyl chloride. These are used in manufacturing toys, combs, and various types of container also. Another kind of plastic that are thermosetting plastic, that is, as the terminology name indicates, thermos means heats, और setting मतलब क्या होता है, resistant. Plastics which when molded once cannot be softened by heating, these are called thermosetting plastic. Two examples are bakelite and melamine. It means we can say thermosetting plastics are those types of plastics which are never get molded by the action of heat. Bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity, and therefore that is used for making electrical switches, handles of various utensils. Melamine resists fire and can tolerate heat better than other plastic. It is used for making floor tiles, kitchenware, and fabric which resist fire. Fire brigade which wear fabrics which is made up of melamine plastic. Plastic as a material of choice. Plastics are used for storing food items, water, milk, pickles, and dry food. This is because of their lightweight, lower price, good strength, and easy handling. Being lighter than metal, it is used in cars, aircraft, spacecraft, and articles like furniture, decoration pieces, slippers, etc. What are the characteristics properties of plastic? First characteristics property is plastics are non-reactive. That is, they do not react with water and air, and therefore they are not corroded easily as the iron do. Iron, you all know, that is, it will react with air and water to form a rust. But plastic do not react with water, that they are not get corroded or rusted, and that is why they are used to store various kinds of material including chemicals also. Second characteristics property of plastics are they are light, strong, and durable. Since plastic is very light, strong, durable, and can be molded into different shapes and size,